Guys, welcome to our channel Tips How To. If your browser keeps randomly switching your search engine to Yahoo from Google, don't worry, you are not alone. This is one of the most common issues people run into on Google Chrome, Edge and even Firefox. So here are the various workarounds to fix this issue. You can see automatically change to Yahoo search engine, and the first workaround is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to apps. From the right side, go to default apps, and here look for Chrome and go to Google Chrome app appeared. Click on arrow and make Google Chrome your default browser. Choose set default. Close the settings windows. You have successfully changed to your default Chrome browser in lieu of Yahoo. Close the window, and if not changed, then go to 3 horizontal dot against top right corner on your Chrome browser and go to settings. Here from the left side, click on 3 horizontal lines and choose search engine from the left side of menu. Click on it. Here you can see secure search is set as default search engine, so click on change button against it, and here make Google Chrome your default browser. Make the check against Google and click on set as default. Google is now your default search engine. So close the window, open a new window, and you can see Google is your now set as default search engine. Now on the same windows, make search engine and site search, manage search engine and site search, and here you can see search engine available. Simply go to Yahoo, click on 3 horizontal line dot and choose delete. Are you sure you want to delete this search engine? Delete that particular search engines, and some other search engine if you don't want to keep here, then simply delete it. Also secure search. So under manage search engines, delete another search engines available on your search engine field and make Google search your default browser. Close the windows and open Google Chrome browser. You can see your Google is now default search engine. The one more setting is right click on start button, choose settings. From the left side, go to privacy and security. Thereafter go to right side, open Windows security, and here click on virus and threat protection. Here go to scan options, and here you will find 4 options. Here choose quick action or full scans as per your choice, and scan your system completely for any malware or any viruses. So scan your system, choose quick scan, and finally click on scan now, and let the system complete a scanning process of your Windows 11 system. It will scan your system for any viruses. After that, restart your system.